Good morning all of you. Am I audible? Please mention in the chat whether the audio video is clear. Welcome all of you to this lecture. Today's topic is number system, which is very important topic. Invite all your friends to attend this session. This session will help. This session will help you a lot in not only this chapter, for other chapter also. This chapter is very important. Audio video clear? Please respond. Audio video clear or not? Yes. So let's start. So number systems. Yeah, new students, if you want to be part of my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group, these are the general Telegram channel and WhatsApp group where I give study materials and other resources and updates of my free classes and other full-length courses for different competitive exams in these channels. There is a dedicated Telegram channel only for GATE course also. That also you can join. ये lecture का ये video का description में वो भी available है. You can get it from the description of this video. And also by texting to this WhatsApp number, you will get all other resources I provide. And in the description of this video also, you can get all free resources I provide. And these are the books I have written, and this is currently the national bestseller for CSIR-NET Part A preparation. You can get it if you are preparing for CSIR-NET exam also. Okay, so number systems. Number system actually in the when we discussed mathematical sequence and series, there also we have given an introduction about some of these things, because there also it is needed. That is why I told you this is something like this chapter is needed for most chapters, most quantitative aptitude chapter. ये chapter का theory important है. So, ये चैप्टर से कितना क्वेश्चन आ रहा है उससे भी इंपॉर्टेंट, ये चैप्टर से कितना कॉन्सेप्ट लर्न कर रहा है, दैट इज नीडेड फॉर सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम अदर चैप्टर. So that is why listen very carefully. This is a concept class. I will be teaching you concepts in detail. Questions also, some of them we will be discussing in this class. First of all, number system में क्या क्या numbers, types of numbers clear होना चाहिए. I hope all of you know what is a natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, prime number, composite number, even number, odd number, etc. So, what is natural number? Counting numbers are natural numbers. Numbers used for counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity are natural numbers. 0 is not a natural number. -1, -2, -3 are not natural numbers. 1/2 is not a natural number. So natural numbers means 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. I know most of you know it, but just to make sure that we are all on the same page. So natural numbers along with 0, that is whole number. Whole number में natural number 1, 2, 3 up to infinity भी है, 0 भी है. That is the neutral integer 0 also is included. That is called whole number. Because in questions when you see this terminologies also, you should not be getting confused. Other chapter mein, as I told, mathematical sequence chapter mein, we have seen these kinds of terminology. Non-negative integer, negative integer, positive integer. You should all be clear about it. That is the main thing. So positive integer kya hai? 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. That is natural numbers itself is positive integers. Negative integers means negative of those 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. That is -1, -2, -3 up to -infinity. And non-negative integers means what? हाँ, इंटीजर्स को पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, न्यूट्रल ऐसा कैटेगराइज कर सकता है. इंटीजर्स कैन बी पॉजिटिव, इट कैन बी नेगेटिव, इट कैन बी न्यूट्रल ऑल्सो. पॉजिटिव मीन्स नेचुरल नंबर्स, नेगेटिव मीन्स नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, negative integers means -1, -2 up to -infinity. It can be neutral. Neutral integer means what? Not positive, not negative. That is only 0 is included in that. So non-negative means in a question, if you are seeing among all non-negative integers, if you miss 0 in that, you will get a wrong answer. So non-negative में positive ही नहीं, neutral integer 0 भी include करना है. This is a common mistake many people make. They miss 0 and then analyze. So that may give you a different answer. So non-negative 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity है. Non-positive है तो 0, -1, -2 up to -infinity होगा. That also is clear, I guess. So that is also clear means let's go to the next thing. Even and odd number that we already discussed in that arithmetic sequence chapter. Even number, odd number सबको पता है ना, but one thing just reiterating, even numbers can be negative also. -2, -3, -2, -4, -6 ये सब even numbers है. इवन नेचुरल नंबर भी हो सकता है, इवन इंटीजर भी हो सकता है. इवन नेचुरल नंबर मीन्स 2 4 6 अप टू इन्फिनिटी, क्योंकि नेचुरल नंबर में 0 और नेगेटिव इंक्लूडेड नहीं है. लेकिन इवन इंटीजर्स मीन्स -2 -4 -6 अप टू माइनस इन्फिनिटी भी पॉसिबल है. So first even integer you cannot say which is it, because there is no starting and ending. It is minus infinity to minus infinity, na? Similarly, odd numbers also. Even numbers are also of the form 2n. Odd numbers will be of the form 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1. That can also be negative. Integers can be negative also. Odd numbers can be negative also. But odd integers can be negative. But odd natural numbers will be 1 3 5 up to infinity only. First odd natural number 1 hoga. First odd number we cannot say which is first odd number, because it is minus infinity to infinity. It can vary. So that is also clear, I guess. And yeah, just try this question. Just a question to make you familiarize with odd number, even number. Very simple question. Try it fast. Okay, there is some problem with the screen alignment. Na? Please wait. We'll correct it. All of you tried it? Okay. Now it is clear, right? So here n is a natural number, n raised to 5 is odd. Which of the following is true? So here you can easily do it by taking examples. The easiest way will be taking example method to understand what the question is asking. n एक natural number है, लेकिन n raised to 5 एक odd natural number है. Which of the following is true? Whether n is odd, n cube is odd, n raised to 4 is even. That is the three things we are asked. n एक natural number है तो n raised to 5 odd number होना. So we can start from here. n raised to 5 odd number होने के लिए 1 raised to 5 odd number है ना. So n 1 लिया तो, या n raised to 5 1 लिया तो n भी 1 होगा. That is an odd number. ये odd number है, ये भी odd number है ना. That means n raised to 5 odd है तो n odd है. We can say that. Or if you think it is very trivial example, you take 3 like I have shown here. 3 raised to 5 is 243. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 243. 243 का. So 243. 3 raised to 4 will be 81. 3 raised to 3 will be 27. So 3 and 3 raised to 1 also will be odd number. ये सब odd numbers होगा. That is what I am trying to say. ये सब odd numbers है तो n odd number है वो correct है. 3 raised to 5 odd number है तो 3 odd number है. 3 cube odd number है. 3 raised to 4 भी odd number है, even number नहीं है. But this is written 3 raised to 4 is odd number. Sorry, even number. That is why A and B is correct, but C is not correct. That is the correct answer. A and B only is correct answer. So just a simple question to make you familiar with odd number, even number. And I will show you a GATE exam question now related to odd number, even number. Try this question. This is similar to what we discussed now. All of you try it. Yeah, we'll start the timer also. All of you attending the live class, use this timer to understand how much time you are taking and try it. After each question, the timer will tell you whether you were able to do it in 2 minutes. I will say ideally more than 2 minutes for a question is not advisable at all, but many questions can be done in 1.5 minutes or 1 minute also in GATE exams. क्योंकि 1 mark question भी है. Some of you already got the answer. Very good. Okay, so very simple now. 2017 GATE exam problem this was. A and B are integers. Integers means it can be minus infinity to plus infinity. Any of those integers are possible. Positive, negative, neutral. A and B are integers and A minus B is even. So that is where we need to start. A minus B is even. A minus B even होने के लिए क्या क्या possibilities है? दो numbers का difference even होना चाहिए. So logically think करो. दोनों even है तो क्या होगा? Even number minus even number even है ना? Check it out. 4 minus 2. Take examples and try. 10 minus 4. Even minus even तो even है. Similarly, odd minus odd is also even. We need to get A minus B to be even. Whether it is even minus even, odd minus odd, दोनों even है. Odd minus odd कैसा even है? 7 minus 3. Even है ना? 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 minus 2n plus 1. Plus 1 cancel, okay? 2n minus 2n, that is like even itself. बाकी दो cases है ना? बाकी दो cases means even minus odd, odd minus even. That will give you odd number only. You can check it out if you have doubt. 10 minus 3. 13 minus 10. दोनों odd number है. So that cases we cannot take. These two cases we cannot take. Only these two cases. A even, B even, A odd, B odd. ये दो cases में ये हमारा answer सही होना चाहिए. Because the question is saying must always be even. Must always means in all realities it should be even. All reality means these are the only two reality possible. अभी options check करना काफी है. Option check करो. A, B, A and B even है तो even into even, is it even? Yes. But second case also. This is case 1. This is case 2. Case 2 में odd into odd, is it even? No, odd into odd, 3 into 5 is 15. Odd only, that is O for odd. So that is odd, but question says it must be even. So clearly option A is wrong. Clearly option A is wrong. Because it is true only in one case. दोनों केस में सही नहीं है. Similarly, try it. You can also do it by taking examples on the first place. But when you take example, you should take both the set example. Otherwise, you will be wrong. Please remember. ये directly even है odd है वो उसमें doubt आ रहा तो only then you can take example. If doubt is not there, you can directly do it also. No problem. So let's see, a square plus b square plus 1, is it even? A square plus b square plus 1 means दो cases में even square plus 1. Even square means even itself. Even number का square, 4 का square 16 भी even है ना. Even number square plus even number square plus 1 means even plus even. Even plus even is even na. Even plus 1, even number plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11 is odd for sure. So first reality itself you are getting odd. We need to get even. So clearly option B is wrong. First case itself is wrong. Similarly, next case also even square plus even plus 1 is odd only. Because a square, even square, b even plus even plus 1 odd. So option C is also wrong. So option D should be definitely correct. Let us verify anyway. E into E minus E. First case. E into E minus E is E into E is E itself. E minus E is going to be even minus even is going to be even only. Odd into odd. Odd minus odd is even itself. Odd minus odd is even. Na? So option D is clearly the answer. Are you all understanding this? Please respond. There are other ways also. When you are looking at option B carefully, you can get B common, B into A minus 1. B common and B into A minus 1. B or A minus 1, one of those terms will be, B into A minus 1 you will be getting. B or A minus 1, one of those terms will definitely be even. Even into odd, even into even, dono even hai. That way also you can say this will be only even. That is another approach. This is all different approaches. Once you get more familiarity with even number, odd number or types of numbers, these questions also will become more simple. You will be able to derive more and more perspectives and more ideas to solve. So even number, odd number to clear hai. And in the number sequence chapter, I already discussed about the formula related to even number, odd number, sum of terms. Sum of first and natural number क्या है, sum of first and odd natural number क्या है, sum of first and even natural number क्या है, sum of squares of first and natural number क्या है, sum of squares of first and cubes of natural numbers क्या है. That also we have discussed in the mathematical sequence chapter. Those of you missed it, the recording is available in this playlist itself. This playlist link also is given in the chat. So let's go to the next type of numbers. Coming back to the theory, we discussed already about the integers, even integers, odd integers. Now we will discuss about other type of number, rational numbers. What is a rational number? All of you know na? Numbers of the form p by q where p and q are integers is called rational numbers. Numbers of the form p by q where p and q are integers is called rational number. Every integer is a rational number because integer can be written as n by 1. 10 is a rational number because 10 by 1 is p by q form. Na? Minus 9 is rational number because minus 9 by 1 is p by q form. So they all are rational number. Rational number is either terminating or non-terminating but recurring decimal. Recurring means repeating. For example, 1 by 7 fraction hai na? Do you remember in the fraction and percentage classes I told you every fraction have a corresponding percentage. Similarly, 1 by 7 was corresponding to 14.2856 percentage, or 1 by 7 is 0.142856, and then this 0.142856 will repeat again. That is what it is called. It is repeating. If it is non-repeating, that will not be. If it is non-repeating pattern, that will not be a rational number. It is an irrational number. Like pi. Pi, when you write 3.1416, it will not repeat. It will not repeat like 142856, 142856. You cannot find a pattern there. So that is non-recurring. That is why pi is an irrational number. It cannot be written as p by q form. If it is recurring, we can write it as p by q form. Na? For example, if it is like, we say 22 by 7 is 22. Look at this example. 22 by 7 is approximately pi. Some people think pi is exactly 22 by 7. That is totally wrong. pi is approximately only 22 by 7. Because if pi is 22 by 7, pi became a rational number ना, क्योंकि 22 by 7 तो rational number है. 22 by 7 तो rational number है. So actually what is 22 by 7? 22 by 7 is a rational approximation of the irrational number pi. Pi is an irrational number. Same way e is an irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. Root 7 is an irrational number. There are many irrational numbers in the surds. Surds means root 3, root 7. Root of any prime number is irrational. Root of any prime number is irrational. Root 2, root 3. वो सब irrational numbers है क्योंकि उसको p by q फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकता. Some of you may be thinking root 7 को root 7 by 1 लिख सकता है ना. root 7 by 1 लिखा तो root 7 इंटीजर नहीं है ना. p by q फॉर्म वेयर p and q दोनों इंटीजर्स होना चाहिए, लेकिन root 7 तो इंटीजर नहीं है. That is why it is not rational. Sorry, it is not rational, it is irrational. So decimal representation non-terminating भी होगा, non-repeating होगा. Non-terminating means it will never end. Pi का value 3.1416 it will never end. That is why it is non-terminating. And it is non-repeating also. ये 1416 ऐसा again same pattern में repeat होगा, that is not possible. So that is why it is non-terminating and non-repeating. That is why it is an irrational number. So I hope all of you understood what is rational and irrational number. So rational number को simply fraction भी कह सकता है ना. Fraction. तो fractions can be split into 3 types. Proper, improper and mixed. Proper, improper and mixed fraction. Fraction whose numerator is equal to or less than the denominator, that is called proper fraction. All of you know that ना. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 19 by 30, ये सब proper fractions है. Numerator denominator से कम है. Equal है तो भी proper है. Improper fraction means the other way around. Numerator should be more than denominator. Numerator more than denominator. Like 3 by 2 is improper fraction. 4 by 3, 10 by 3, 20 by 19. Improper fraction को proper fraction का notation में लिखना, that is called mixed fraction. All these things you have learned in very basic classes only. 7th standard, 8th standard or 6th standard, some of these things. But I am reminding you these things because these things are not only needed in this chapter. Other chapters also this is needed. Example, clock problem. Clock problem में this mixed fraction conversion is very important. So in case anyone don't know it, make sure you know it now. That is why I am showing you even trivial things. So for example, 3 by 2 को 3 by 2 तो mixed fraction है, sorry improper fraction है, उसको 1.5 लिख सकता है ना. ये दोनों equal है. ये improper fraction notation है, ये mixed fraction notation है. Generally speaking, this is how you can convert a improper fraction to mixed fraction. Yeah, when we write it as steps, it looks like a complicated process. It is so silly thing ना. 3 by 2 मतलब क्या है? 3 में एक 2 है तो 1 quotient है. अभी बचा हुआ 1 2 से divisible नहीं है, इसलिए 1 by 2 लिख रहा है. That's all. That is what is written as steps. Divide numerator by denominator. 3 by 2. Write down the whole number answer. Whole number answer is 1. The quotient you write. Then write down the remainder 1. Above the denominator 1 by 2 as a process, but logically understand it, then you don't have to follow this process or anything. So 3 by 2 मतलब 3 में एक 2 है, उसके बाद आधा बचा है. 1.5 2s are there in 3. That is a meaning ना. Similarly 600 by 11 है तो 54 11s are there in 600. उसके बाद 6 बचा है. 6 11 से divisible नहीं है, इसलिए 6 by 11 लिख रहा है. Clock problem में ये 600 by 11 itself is coming many times because 11 is a very important number in clock problem. A formula is there based on this number 11. So anyway, that is also clear. What is types of fractions? Fractions, if you are clear. Yeah, then what is prime number? सबको पता है ना? What is prime number? Prime number is a number or an integer which is exactly, not integer only, positive integer we can say, or natural number which is exactly divisible by 1 and that number only. Exactly divisible by 1 and that number only. That is called prime numbers. So divisible by, when we speak about divisible by, we should tell about factors and multiples. After that I will come back to prime numbers also. What is factor and multiple? सबको पता है ना? A number is a factor of another if the former exactly divides the latter. बहुत ही trivial thing है, I know that. But I am making sure everyone know this. So 5 is a factor of 30, means 5 30 में 6 बार है, there is no fraction involved, exactly 6 बार है ना. So 5 into 6 is 30, so 5 is a factor. Similarly we can say 30 is a multiple of 5, 30 is a multiple of 5. टर्मिनोलॉजीज में कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि कुछ क्वेश्चन में ये टर्मिनोलॉजीज भी इन्वॉल्व हो सकता है, वहाँ यू शुड बी क्लियर अबाउट व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग. ओके, सो मल्टीपल फैक्टर तो क्लियर है. स्पीकिंग ऑफ फैक्टर, you should know about divisibility also. You should know about divisibility also. After that we'll come to least common factor and highest common multiple, least common multiple and highest common factor. Divisibility also, I hope all of you know what is divisibility, especially divisibility test. How to know a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 11. That is very important. So this flashcard summarizes all that. This flashcard I will provide you after the class in the PDF in the Telegram channel. So 2, 4, 8 का divisibility depend करेगा last 1, 2, 3 digits respectively. Last 1 digit multiple of 2 है तो number भी multiple of 2 होगा. Last 2 digit वो number है ना, like 2056 का 56. 56 4 का multiple है, इसलिए 2056 भी 56 4 का multiple है. Last 3 digits 056, 2056 का last 3 digits 056 है ना, 056 means 56. 56 8 का multiple है, इसलिए 2056 भी 8 का multiple है. Are you all understanding? All of you clear? Yes, Tomchuk, I will upload it today. Sorry for not uploading it. I forgot about it, to be frank. So that I will upload. All other PDFs I have provided. That algebra first class I will provide it. So anyway, इतना clear है ना? 2, 4, 8 का divisibility कैसा check करना है? How to check a number is divisible by 2 or 4 or 6. उसके बाद 5 और 10 का divisibility भी बहुत ही simple है ना. 10 का divisibility के लिए last digit 0 होना चाहिए. 5 का divisibility के लिए last digit 0 होना भी काफी है, 5 होना भी काफी है. 0 और 5 is okay. 2045 5 का multiple है, क्योंकि 5 का multiple है या 5 से divisible है, दोनों same है. Because last digit is 5, last digit 0 है तभी 5 का multiple होगा. So then 3, 9, 6 you can learn together. 3, 9, 6. How to check a number is divisible by 3 or 9 or 6. 3 के लिए sum of digits. In Vedic maths also there is an extension of this technique. So digit sum of digits find करना है. Sum of digits 3 का multiple है तो number भी 3 का multiple है. So for example 123. 1 plus 2 plus 3 6 है ना. 6 is a multiple of 3, so 123 is also a multiple of 3. Similarly 9 का multiple के लिए या 9 से divisible होने के लिए number, for example 729. 7 plus 2 plus 9 is 18. 18 is a multiple of 9. 18 by 9 you will not get any remainder. So 729 भी 9 का multiple होगा, because 7 plus 2 plus 9 9 का multiple है. So 3 और 9 का divisibility is based on sum of digits. अभी 6 का एक separate technique नहीं है, लेकिन 6 का factors है ना 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 से divisible है तो 6 से भी divisible होगा. 2 से divisible होने के लिए divisibility check है, 3 से divisible होने के लिए divisibility check है. ये दोनों check करना है. और in other words, for a number to be divisible by 3, it should be even number. Even number है तो 2 से divisible होगा ना. And its sum of digits should be multiple of 3. Because sum of digits multiple of 3 है तो 3 का मल्टीपल हो गया. 3 और 2 दोनों का मल्टीपल है तो नंबर 6 का भी मल्टीपल होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 2, 1, 6 इवन नंबर है या लास्ट डिजिट 2 का मल्टीपल है, इसलिए वो 2 का मल्टीपल हो गया. नाउ 2 plus 1 plus 6 9 is multiple of 3, so नंबर 3 का भी मल्टीपल है. 2 और 3 दोनों का मल्टीपल है, इसलिए 216 is multiple of 6 also. Then 7 का multiplicity, this much all of you remember I guess. 7 का multiplicity, there is chance that some of you may have forgotten or some of you may not have learned. In some textbooks it is not there in school textbooks. So I will just reiterate in case you have forgotten or in case you haven't learned also. लास्ट डिजिट को डबल करना है. एक नंबर 7 से डिविजिबल होने के लिए लास्ट डिजिट को डबल करना है. 5 का डबल तो 10 है, वो डबल बाकी नंबर से, वो लास्ट डिजिट अवॉइड करके बाकी नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो आंसर मिलेगा. सो 17 minus 10 7, मल्टीपल ऑफ 7 है, इसलिए 175 भी 7 का मल्टीपल है. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड. 175 7 का मल्टीपल के लिए लास्ट डिजिट का डबल, वो डबल बाकी नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, वो नंबर 7 का मल्टीपल है तो 175 भी 7 का मल्टीपल होगा। ये 7 7 का मल्टीपल है इसलिए 175 भी 7 का मल्टीपल है। इज दैट क्लियर? All of you clear? Please respond. So now divisibility of 11. Divisibility of 11, there are two ways to represent it. One way is you can odd position numbers, even position number you can add up. 1 plus 4 5, 3 plus 2 5. ये दोनों का difference 0 है, ये दोनों का difference 0 या multiple of 11. Yeah, 0 is also multiple of 11, but just to avoid confusion, difference of sum of numbers in odd positions and even positions, if that is a multiple of 11, the number is also a multiple of 11. Here 1 plus 4 is in the odd positions. Now odd position means first position, third position, fifth position, seventh position, etc. Here first and third are the odd position, so that 1 plus 4 add किया तो 5, even position में 3 plus 2 add किया तो 5. ये दोनों का difference 11 का multiple है तो ये दोनों का difference 0. 0 is a multiple of any natural number ना. So 0 is a multiple of 11 also. So the difference is 0. So it is a multiple of 11. So 1342 is also a multiple of 11. All of you clear? That is test of divisibility of 11. So one time GATE exam, they have directly asked this test of divisibility idea. 2018 GATE exam problem. All of you try this. Super easy question. 2 minutes to try. All of you try it and check how much time you are taking to finish also. Those of you are watching this session live, do hit the like button. That will help this video to reach to maximum people. All of you do that. Most of you got it right. Very simple now. Very simple. Okay. So here, if the number 715, then there is a missing number, is divisible by 3. That missing number denoted by the, missing digit is in the thousands place, the fourth place from the right. 1 second. Okay. Then the smallest whole number in the place of that missing number. Missing number, if you consider x. So it is divisible by 3 means its sum of digits should also be divisible by 3 na? Because that is what we just discussed. A number divisible by 3 होने के लिए उसका sum of digits. 1 second, there is some problem with the alignment of the camera. Just a minute. Okay, now it is fine, I guess. Okay, so sum of digits of this should be multiple of 3 for the number to be multiple of 3. That is a test of divisibility for 3. So what is the sum of digits? 7 plus 1 plus 5, that is 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 4, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 3, 22 plus x. 22 plus x should be a multiple of 3. So what should be x? Some of you may be thinking that x का infinitely many possibilities है ना. 24 सम हो सकता है, 27 सम हो सकता है, 30 सम हो सकता है. लेकिन that is where the question comes. Question says smallest whole number in the place of x. Smallest whole number के लिए ये number minimum होना चाहिए 22 above minimum multiple of 3, that is 24. इसके लिए x 2 होना ही चाहिए ना, इसलिए 2 only is the answer. 5 will be the possibility, but that is not the smallest one. 5 add किया तो भी 27 मिलेगा. That is why they have added 5 also to confuse you. This word smallest, you should be very careful. Whole number which is smallest. I hope all of you, when you see whole number, you know what it is, so there is no confusion at all. So I hope that is clear. Then let's go to the next question. So this question you try, GATE 2010 question, all of you try it. Archana, class will be till 12:15, 12:30. The topic should be covered. Till then I will take. All of you try. The answers, some of you got an answer. Yeah, here you should smartly do the question. Consider the set of integers 1, 2, 3 up to 5,000. 1, 2, 3 up to 5,000 में 5,000 integers है ना, 5,000 numbers are there. The number of integers that is divisible by neither 3 nor 5 is, neither 3 nor 4 is. So total 5,000 number में से कितना number 3 या 4 का multiple है, 3 या 4 का multiple. So we will find that. Complement idea we can use like we did in probability permutation chapter itself. Total minus 3 का multiple, 4 का multiple, 3 and 4 दोनों का multiple. All 3 we need ना. All of you are getting the point. So we can say 3 का multiple कितना होगा, या 5,000 number में 3 का multiple 1/3 होगा ना. Before that 5,000 को 3 का multiple नहीं है. Then nearest multiple of 3 is 4998. How we know 4998 is multiple of 3? Because ये देखो 5,000 का sum of digits तो 5 है. Sum of digit multiple of 3 होना चाहिए. So 2 number before it will be. Or you check this, verify this. 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 8 is Sum of digits is 12 plus 18. 30. 30 is a multiple of 3. So 4998 is the largest number below 5000 which is multiple of 3. मतलब 1, 2, 3 up to 4998 कंसिडर किया तो वो 4998 नंबर्स में 1/3 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 होगा ना 1/3. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट व्हाई 1/3 विल बी मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3? बिकॉज हर 3 नंबर में एक नंबर मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 होगा ना. So 1/3 multiples of 3 होगा. So 4998 by 3 will be the number of multiples of 3 from 1 to 5000. I hope all of you are clear about it. That is 1666. 1666 will be the multiples of 3 in 5000. So that is multiples of 3 or divisible by 3 numbers. 3 multiples of 3 numbers. Now multiples of 4 numbers, how many will be there? नियरेस्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. एक नंबर मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 होने के लिए उसका लास्ट 2 डिजिट मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 होना काफ़ी है. सो 5000 तो ऑलरेडी मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 है. सो 1 to 5000 में मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 5000 by 4 होगा ना. 5000 by 4 ही होगा. 5000 by 4 मीन्स 2500 हाफ 1250 होगा. 1250 होगा. But the problem is in this 1666 and 1250 numbers, there will be common multiples of 2 and 3. 3 and 4. Common multiples of 3 and 4. वो यहाँ भी काउंट किया है, यहाँ भी काउंट किया है. For example, when you say 1666, we are saying 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. When you say 1250, the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, etc. ये देखो 12 दोनों में आ रहा है ना. Similarly 24 दोनों में आएगा, 36 दोनों में आएगा. Are you understanding? That is counted twice ना. वो twice काउंट नहीं कर सकता, इसलिए वो कितना बार दो डबल काउंटिंग किया. वेन डायग्राम चैप्टर में भी ये, सेट थियरी वेन डायग्राम चैप्टर्स में भी ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. यूनियन फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू यूज. n of a union b is n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. All multiples of 3, all multiples of 4 minus multiples of 3 and 4 subtract करना है ना. Then only we will get then only we will get either multiple of 3 or multiple of 4. That if you subtract from 5000, we will get the answer. So now we will multiply, we will find multiples of 12. ये 12 कहाँ से आया? That is the LCM, least common multiple of 3 and 4. All multiples of that least common multiples will be repeated value like 12, 24, 36, etc. That means ये 5000 numbers में कितना 12 का multiple है, that also you need to find. 12 का multiple कितना है? That 12 का multiple directly find करने के लिए थोड़ा time लगेगा. So roughly what you can do is 5000 by 12 करिए. हर 12 numbers में एक 12 का multiple होगा ना. 5000 by 12 करिए. उसका quotient ले लो, reminder नहीं. वो confusion avoid करने के लिए I didn't do 5000 by 3 here. I did 4998 by 3. 5000 by 3 किया तो भी उसका क्वेश्चन लिया तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Similarly here 5000 by 12 करिए. 5000 by 12 when you divide you will get 416 ना. 416 multiples of 12 you will get. 416 multiples of 12. That means numbers multiple of 3 or 4 will be this 1666 plus this 1250 minus 416. Are you all understanding why you need to minus that? Because that is counted in both the sets. So when you add it and subtract it, you will get 2500, right? 2500 you will get. The 66 50 16 cancel हो जाएगा ना. Then 2500 you will finally get. So 2500 multiples of 3 or 4 are there. So non-multiples of 3 or 4 will be 5000 minus 2500 na. Final answer will be 5000 minus 2500. Because we want divisible neither by 3 nor by 4. So 5000 minus 2500, 2500 is the answer. Very good question, na? Checking your very basic understanding only. So, but the test of divisibility idea will help us to tackle the question faster. All of you understood this? Yes, Preeti, 4992 will be the largest multiple of 12. If you identified it, that way also you can divide. All clear? So that are about divisibility, multiple factors, etc. Now, as I told, LCM, in the previous question also LCM came. What is LCM, what is HCF, you should know. As I told, numbers chapter is the base for other quantitative aptitude chapter. 12 से divide किया क्योंकि दीपांजलि 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4. 3 and 4 दोनों का multiples दोनों में आ रहा है ना, दोनों सेट में आ रहा है, वो दो बार काउंट किया है, वो एक ही बार काउंट करना था, इसलिए एक बार काउंट एक्स्ट्रा काउंट किया, वो डिलीट करना है. When we discussed Venn diagram chapter, we will discuss more about set theory, this union idea and all. Yes, Preeti. So, what is LCM and what is HCF? You should know. HCF means highest common factor or greatest common divisor. GCD and HCF दोनों same है, in case you have confusion. So, it's the greatest number that divides each of them exactly, and method to find HCF and all. In case you have forgotten, go through it. But actually, small number के लिए ये method सब जरूरी नहीं है. You can directly find it. Like 3 and 4 का HCF फाइंड करना है तो हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर 3 and 4 में कॉमन फैक्टर एक ही है 1, so 1 is the highest common factor. They are called relatively prime numbers also if the highest common factor is 1. So and GCD or HCF is 1. And what is the LCM of 3 and 4? 3 and 4 का common multiple, so 12, 24, 36 है, उसमें smallest 12 है ना, वो intuitively conclude कर सकता है. ऐसा factors लिखना is only needed for bigger numbers. This is HCF and LCM is least common multiple, smallest number that is divisible by each one of the numbers. So LCM find करने का भी procedure यहाँ लिखा है, but as I told, smaller number के लिए you can directly find it. I hope this much is clear, but as I told, you should be clear about this. बाकी chapter के लिए भी बहुत ही important है ये. Geometry chapter में भी, algebra का different chapter में LCM indirectly आ रहा है, so you should be clear about it. So if that is clear, these are some properties of LCM and GCD. In case you want, you can note it down. Product of two numbers will be equal to the product of their GCDs and LCM. Product of their GCDs and LCM. That property, if you know it, is good. So try this question just to make you remember those property. Post your answer super fast. Simple question only. Most of you got it right. Okay, this is very simple, right? GCD of two numbers is 24 and LCM is 2080. As I told, GCD and LCM का product वो दो numbers का product से equal होगा. A and B दो numbers है तो A into B and GCD into LCM दोनों equal होगा. So if B is that second number, 120 into B will be LCM into GCD. That is 24 into 1080. उसको simplify किया तो वो missing number B मिलेगा. Hope all of you understood it. So that relation keep in mind. So that's it. LCM GCD का इतना काफ़ी है for different chapters. Yeah, we discussed about natural number, whole number, integers, rational number, and this is how we can represent it using Venn diagram. Natural numbers are subset of whole numbers subset of integers subset of rational number, and rational number obviously subset of real numbers, and real number subset of numbers like imaginary numbers also can be there. But general aptitude में rational number तक काफ़ी है. Most of the question or till now they have involved only till rational numbers. So till rational number you should be clear about. Then these expansions and all, in the last class also I told you should be clear about these expansions. A plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a square minus b square, at least for first three. And yeah, this is the another important thing in number systems. Place values of number system. Place values of number system. This also you should be clear about. What is place values of number system? For example, 123 if you represent, we know that this is unit place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. What is the meaning of that unit place, tens place, hundreds place? Unit place means this is 10 raised to 0 position, this is 10 raised to 1 position, this is 10 raised to 2 position. Or in other words, this is 3 into 10 raised to 0, that is 3 into 1. This is 2 into 10 raised to 1, that is 2 into 10, and this is 1 into 10 raised to 2, that is 1 into 100. That is what we call hundreds place, tens place, and units place. Or in other words, this is 3, this is 20, this is 100. That all of you know, right? So in a 4-digit number, this is unit, tens, hundreds, thousands place. So a 2-digit number 23 can be written as 10 into 2 plus 3. 4-digit number 423 can be written as 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 1 into 3, and so on. That means a general 2-digit number AB can be written as 10A plus B. General 3-digit number ABC can be written as 100A plus 10B plus C. All those things are clear now, and question based on this also was asked earlier in GATE exams. So I will show that. There you can use direct method or elimination method, both are okay. But I will show you questions. Try this question, GATE 2018 problem, all of you try it. Place value based question. Any of you got the answer? Very good. Okay, most of you got it. So you can do this question with elimination method or direct method, both are fine. Just a minute. So you can do this question by direct method like this. You can do this question with elimination method also, direct method also. First I will show you the direct method itself. Direct method will be like this. You can represent a 2-digit number as 10x plus y na, if x and y are the digits. 10x plus y. So if x and y are the digits, 2 digits, 10x plus y will be the 2-digit number. Just like we discussed, a, b digits hai to 10a plus b hai na, 2-digit number. So sum of digits is 9. So x plus y is 9 is the first equation. X plus y is 9. Now question is saying that if 45 is subtracted from the number, its digits are interchanged. So xy का digits interchange किया तो yx मिलेगा ना, मतलब ये 10x plus y है तो ये 10y plus x होगा decimal representation. ये दोनों numbers का connection क्या है? 45 subtracted from the number. इससे 45 subtract किया तो ये मिलेगा, मतलब we can say that this plus 45 is this original number ना. इससे 45 subtract किया तो ये मिलेगा, मतलब ये number इससे भी बड़ा है ना. कितना बड़ा है? 45 बड़ा है. Otherwise you subtract 45 and then in the next step you take 45 to the other side. I hope this is clear. अभी ये equation को simplify किया तो you can easily get the answer. 10x plus y is equal to original number is equal to the interchanged digit number plus 45. So इसको simplify किया तो 9 common ले सकता है. x minus y equal to 45 by 9. x minus y equal to 5. x minus y equal to 5, x plus y equal to 9. ये फर्स्ट इक्वेशन और थर्ड इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई किया तो x और y का वैल्यू मिलेगा. x का वैल्यू 7 मिलेगा, y का वैल्यू 2 मिलेगा. xy is the original number, so 72 is the answer. That is the direct method. There the place value representation will be applicable. But this is the direct method, but as I have told from the beginning of the course, you should search for the method for each question which is better and faster. यहाँ पे faster method elimination होगा in my opinion. Opinion can be different for different people. You try with both methods and see which is faster for you. By practicing with both methods, you should do that. So first option answer है तो number 63 answer है तो if the number is 63, the number consists of 2 digits. Sum of digits is 9. 6 plus 3 तो 9 है. वो सारा option satisfy कर रहा है. 6 plus 3 sum of digits 9 है. 45 subtracted from the number. 63 से 45 subtract किया तो क्या मिलेगा? That will give you 18 ना. 18 is it reverse of 63? Question says that the subtracted the digits are reversed. 36 और 18 equal नहीं है. Digits reverse किया तो 36 मिलेगा. So option A is clearly wrong. 72 minus 45 किया तो 72 का reverse 27 मिलेगा या नहीं? Yes, you are getting 27. That finishes the question. So there are the better method was elimination method itself. I hope all of you understood this. Please respond. Is it clear or not? Yes, Risky. If that is clear, one more similar question was asked in GATE 2016. All of you try it super fast. 2 minutes to try. All of you try it. Very good. Most of you got the right answer. Those of you want the Telegram channel for this course, the link is tagged in the chat. Click on the link and you can be part of the exclusive Telegram channel where we post daily free videos, free quizzes, homework question solution and PDF of daily live classes also. Free materials are provided there. 1 second. Okay, so this question we will discuss very similar to previous question. Now, the sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 12 if the new number formed by reversing the digits is greater than the original number by 54. So, elimination is better now. We understood that your question में elimination better होगा. So 39 original number है तो greater than the original number means 39 plus 54. 39 plus 54. If the new number formed by reversing the digits is greater than the original number by 54 means what is the original number is asked. If 39 is the original number, 39 से 54 add किया तो क्या मिलेगा? 93 मिलेगा ना? So that should be the reverse of 39. So is that satisfying the condition? Yes. 39 का reverse तो 93 है. So option A is the answer. Are you all understanding how option A is the answer? To those people who want direct method, I will just mention direct method very fast. 10x plus y, 10y plus x. Original number or reversed number है तो 10x plus y plus 54 is 10y plus x. इसका simplify किया तो क्या मिलेगा? 9x minus 9y. So 9 common ले सकता है. 9 into x minus y is equal to minus 54. Minus 54 means x minus y is equal to minus 6. That is y minus x is equal to 6. Y minus x is 6 and first equation says x plus y is 12 or y plus x is equal to 12. इसको solve किया तो algebraically solve किया तो 2y equal to 18, y is equal to 9 मिलेगा. y 9 है तो x3 होगा when you substitute. So x3 y 9 तो 39 is the answer. That is the direct method. But elimination is much faster here. So elimination you can follow. So that I hope it is clear. Now the next concept is number system में different types of number systems है. What about different types of number system? That we will discuss now. Yeah, we deal decimal number system, but that does not mean decimal number system is the only possible number system. There are infinitely many number systems possible, like binary, octal, ternary, hexadecimal. So these are the first 15 number system, base 2 to base 16. And the first first 20 numbers in them I have listed here just to compare. हाँ, हमारा number system base 10 number system है. 0 1 2 3 up to 0 1 2 3 up to 9, then 10 11 up to 19 up to 99. In my previous YouTube classes and previous classes I have discussed how a number system is created, but now if we discuss that will take a lot of time. So now I will just practically explain what is needed from number system. You should know the conversion of number system properly. Conversion of number system. So that I will teach you. Like decimal number system में 9, base 9 number system में 1 0 10 है, base 8 number system में 11 है, base 7 number system में 12 है, 13 है, 14 है, 21 है, base 3 number system में 1 0 0 है. Base 9 में what we say as 1 0 is 1 0 0 in base 3 number system, and binary number system it is 1001 1001. That means when we see 9, a robot or a computer see 1001, because robots or computers work on 0 and 1 binary number system. So how to convert a number system to another, that you need to know. उसके लिए सिर्फ place value का idea clear होना चाहिए. We discussed about place value idea ना. Now we just discussed for the previous two questions also ना. 23 का meaning क्या है? ये 10 into 2 plus 1 into 3 है, या 10 raised to 1 into 2 plus 10 raised to 0 into 3 है ना. Are you all understanding? So what you think? ये decimal में correct है, लेकिन ये same thing for example octal में है तो उसका meaning 8 raised to 1 into 2 plus 8 raised to 0 into 3 होगा. Are you understanding? And when you calculate it, you will get the decimal equivalent of this number. 23 बेस 8 में है तो बेस 10 में वो 8 raised to 1 into 2 plus 8 raised to 0 into 3 होगा. 8 raised to 1 into 2 is what? 16 plus 8 raised to 0 तो 1 है. 16 plus 3 19 होगा. 23 in base 8 will be 19 in base 10. That is how to convert. Did you all understood? How to convert any number system to base 10. That is what I discussed. 23 in base 8 will be 19 in base 10. So look at this in this list also. 19 in base 10, 23 in base 8 are same. I will give you more practice, don't worry. So yeah, if it is a binary number, yeah, I will take the same example and explain. If it is 11 in base 2, 11 in base 2, base 10 में convert किया तो क्या मिलेगा? Base 10 में ये क्या होगा? Base 10 में. For that what you need to do is, ये 2 raised to 1 का power है, ये 2 raised to, या 1 1 1 you can take. 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 2 हो गया. ये 1 into 2 raised to 2 है ना. 1 into 2 raised to 2 तो 1 है. 1 into 2 raised to 2 तो 1 into 4 है. Plus 1 into 2 है. Plus 1 into 1 है. So 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7 will be the equivalent number in base 10. 111 in base 2 is 10 in base 7. Sorry, 7 in base 10. Are you all understanding that? 7 in base 10. One second. Hundred and 11 in base 2 is 7 in base 10. I hope all of you understood. Then what about 111 in base 3? 111 in base 3, if you want to convert it into base 10, that is 1 into 3 raised to 2 plus 1 into 3 raised to 1 plus 1 into 3 raised to 0. Are you getting the point? That is 9 plus 3 plus 1. 9 plus 3 plus 1, that is 13. That is 13 in base 10. 111 in base 3 is 13 in base 10. Similarly, if it was base 4, 1 into 4 square plus 1 into 4 raised to 1 plus 1 into 4 raised to 0. Add it up. 16 plus 4 plus 1. 16 plus 4 plus 1 is 17. Sorry, 21. So 21 in base 10 hoga. Did you all understood how to convert any number system to base 10? Any number system to base 10? So that is how to convert any number system to base 10. Now what about the reverse? Base 10 to any number system. ये 21 को वापस ये 111 कैसा convert कर सकता है? That also will take the same example. 21 base 10 में है. So 21 को base 4 में convert करने के लिए या हाँ base 4 में convert करने के लिए ये 4 का पावर पर्सपेक्टिव में लिखना है. 4 का पावर का पर्सपेक्टिव में उसका दो मेथड्स हैं. वन मेथड इज लाइक अ फैक्टराइजिंग मेथड. लिसन केयरफुली, दिस यू मे हैव लर्नड इन स्कूल डेज. 21 को बेस 4 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, बेस 10 वाला एक नंबर बेस 4 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, दिस इज बेस k to base 10. Now we are discussing base 10 to base k. रिवर्स. सो बेस k 4 है तो 4 बेस है तो 4 से डिवाइड करिए, उसका क्वोशिएंट लिखो, रिमाइंडर यू कैन राइट इट सेपरेटली. 5/4 क्वोशिएंट लिखो 1, रिमाइंडर सेपरेटली. 1/4 क्वोशिएंट 0, रिमाइंडर सेपरेटली. टिल यू गेट क्वोशिएंट 0 यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू दिस. उसके बाद रिमाइंडर मिल रहा है ना, वो रिमाइंडर को रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखना है. रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखा तो दैट विल बी द इक्विवेलेंट. दैट इज अ टेक्निक. But if you don't want technique, you can theoretically also understand it. Theoretically understand करने के लिए I will take another example that will be better. I will take the example if एक binary number 101 है तो 101 बाइनरी नंबर को नो वी विल डिस्कस द अदर, वी आर डिस्कसिंग द अदर वन ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 35 बेस 10 नंबर को बेस 2 में कन्वर्ट करना है. डेसिमल टू बाइनरी कन्वर्शन. लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. इसका दूसरा टेक्निक, एक टेक्निक यह है डिवाइड बाय द बेस कंटिन्यूअसली. हियर डिवाइडिंग बाय द बेस, आई विल डिस्कस दैट टेक्निक फर्स्ट. 35 बेस टू बी कन्वर्टेड इज 2. 35 by 2 क्वेश्चन क्या है 17, रिमाइंडर क्या है 1. 17 by 2 क्वेश्चन क्या है 8, रिमाइंडर क्या है 1. 8 by 2 क्वेश्चन क्या है, क्वेश्चन 4 है, रिमाइंडर 0 है. 4 by 2 क्वेश्चन 2, रिमाइंडर 0. 2 by 2 क्वेश्चन 1, रिमाइंडर 0. 1 by 2 क्वेश्चन 0, रिमाइंडर 1. Now write this in reverse order. 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. That will be the equivalent binary number of 35. Are you all understanding? This is how to convert any number, decimal number system to any number. But another technique is, another way to obtain this 1 0 0 0 1 1 is 35 है ना, this technique का reverse. यहाँ पे क्या किया, वो सब powers of that base we wrote. Similarly 35 में 2 का कौन सा powers है, that you need to think about. 35 में 2 का maximum power कौन सा है, 32 है ना. 35 को मैं 32 plus 2 plus 1 लिख सकता है. 32 plus 2 plus 1. Or in other words, this is 2 raised to 5, this is 2 raised to 1, this is 2 raised to 0. मतलब 35 में 2 raised to 5 है, 2 raised to 1 है, 2 raised to 0 है. एक बार है ना 1 into. लेकिन बाकी तीनों मतलब 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2% नहीं है, 2 raised to 3% नहीं है, 2 raised to 4% नहीं है. मतलब वो 0 हो गया. Here equivalent 1 1 0 0 0 1 is the answer. 1 0 0 0 1 1. Same answer na. Are you getting? I will repeat that once again. That is a second technique, or I will prefer that technique more because that is more logical, or that is more the reason why we are doing it, we are clear there. I will explain one more example. If it is say 60, बेस 10 को बेस 2 में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो 70 में क्या क्या है पावर्स ऑफ 2. 64 इज द लार्जेस्ट पावर ऑफ 2. उसके बाद 8, इसके बाद 4 है, 68 हो गया. उसके बाद 2 है, मतलब ये 2 raised to 6 है, ये 2 raised to 2 है, ये 2 raised to 1 है. उसके बीच में क्या क्या मिसिंग है, 2 raised to 0 तो मिसिंग है. द मिसिंग वन आई विल यूज अनदर कलर. 2 raised to 0 तो मिसिंग है, 2 raised to 1 है, 2 raised to 2 है, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5 मिसिंग है ना. मिसिंग के लिए 0 इंसर्ट करो एंड प्रेजेंट के लिए 1 इंसर्ट करो. 1 1 1 एंड दैट इज द आंसर. 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. If you use the other technique also, same thing itself, same answer you will get. 70 by 2, 70 by 2 is 35, remainder is 0. 35 by 2 17, remainder 1 sorry. 17 by 2 8, remainder 1. 8 by 2 4, remainder 0. 4 by 2 2, remainder 0. 2 by 2 1, remainder 0. 1 by 2 0, remainder 1. 1 0 0, reverse order you have to write. 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. Same answer na. 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. I hope both methods are clear. This may take more time, but this you should be very clear what you are doing, then only you will get correct answer. So practice it, then this is better. But if you are not confident in this, this is like sure shot you will get the answer, but it will take some time. So that is how to convert base 10 number system to any number system. So base 2 के जगह base 5 है तो 5 से डिवाइड करना है, 4 है तो 4 से डिवाइड करना है. I already showed the example ना. So 1 or 2 questions from this also was asked. I'll show you one question. Try this question. Yeah, here nothing is mentioned. Make a try. After that I will explain more. Hope all of you have liked this video. That is very important for this video to reach to more people and for me to get encouraged to get more quality content like this in the free platform itself. Okay, very less people got the answer. I'll explain. So first of all, here nothing is mentioned. That is a important thing. They haven't mentioned what is this. Is it any other number system? First of all, you should observe 137 plus 276. In our normal decimal addition, that is not correct. Decimal addition, it will come to 1 and 4. 413. But this is 435. So we understand that that is not decimal addition. ये कुछ different number system में है. इसमें largest number 7 है ना, so definitely base 8 या 8 से ऊपर है. Let us try base 8 itself. Base 8 number system. Base 8 number system में 137 276 add किया तो let us see whether it is coming up to 435. Okay, how to add it? There you should primarily understand what is addition. When you say 4 plus 2 is 6, what is the meaning of 4 plus 2 is 6? In the number system we are considering, second number from 4 is 6. That is the meaning of addition. Basically that is addition. In the number system we are considering. We are so obsessed with decimal number system, that is why we are not confused, because we are not seeing any other number system much. But every number system, this is the rule. 4 plus 2 6 है तो 4 का second element 1 2 is 6, third element 7, fourth element 8, fifth element 9. Similarly, here what was the question? 7 plus what was the unit place we were discussing? 7 plus 6 ना. 7 plus 6 decimal number system में 7 plus 6 का meaning क्या है? Sixth number from 7. Sixth number from 7. Sixth number from 7 क्या होगा? First number, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number, sixth number. That is 13. In decimal number system, 7 का sixth number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15. Can you see that? Because decimal number system में 8 नहीं है. 0 included 8 digits. 0 to 7 only. उसके बाद 10 आएगा. How to create number system also I have discussed recently in a plus lecture. That if we discuss now, it will take a lot of time. For the time's sake, I am just hoping that you people know how to construct number system. If not, let me know. I will plan for some session on how to create number system and all. That is very interesting and that is very fundamental thing. Even if question comes or not, that is very fundamental to learn math, to be flexible with any number system. So anyway, did you all understood 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6, why it is 15 in base 8 number system. लेकिन 15 में हम नॉर्मली 30 मिला तो 3 लिखेगा ना, और ये 1 कैरी ओवर करेगा. सेम वे ये 1 कैरी ओवर करना है इन दैट प्रीवियस स्टेप ऑल्सो, इन द प्रीवियस द क्वेश्चन वी आर डिस्कसिंग ऑल्सो. 7 plus 6 is 13, but you have to carry it over. You have to carry it over to the next step, because at step position you can only write 1 na. So 7 plus 6 is 15. 7 plus 6 is 15. Carry over 1. Now 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7. Fourth number from 7. So we understood that this is most probably decimal number itself, because last digit is matching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Those who are confused why 10 after 7, I will briefly mention it. Any number system can be created like this. First write all the first digit, 1 digit combinations. 1 digit combination finish हो गया तो 1 digit number को 2 digit starting with 0 assume करो. 2 digit starting with 0 assume किया तो 0, 0 up to 0, 7 completed. Then 1, 0 should not automatically start ना. Decimal number system में भी ऐसा ही है. We are not realizing many of us, but that is happening like that itself ना. 1 to 9, 0 to 9 finish हो गया. उसके बाद 0 to 9 को 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 up to 0, 9 सोच रहा है. So 0, 9 मतलब 0 का सारा कॉम्बिनेशन फिनिश हो गया. 0 in the 10th place. अभी 1 in the 10th place शुरू किया. That is why 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3 up to we are continuing. So that is the thing. Yeah, those who are not aware of that, that is how any number system is created. The sad part is we were not taught this, or we were not encouraged to think this way. Like 9 के बाद 10 क्यों है, we just mugged it up. That is the first mistake we done in mathematics. 9 के बाद 10 क्यों है, we didn't question it. 9 के बाद 9, 9 क्यों नहीं है, 9 के बाद 1, 0, 0 क्यों नहीं है, we didn't question it. It looks like a very simple doubt or very stupid doubt maybe for some people. Why this person is saying 9 plus 9 के बाद 10 क्यों है, हमको पता है ना. 9 के बाद 10 क्यों है ऐसा पता है तो ओके, बट इफ यू जस्ट बाई हार्टेड 9 के बाद 10 है, देन यू आर इन ट्रबल, बिकॉज अदर नंबर सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम आएगा. 7 के बाद 10 में कंफ्यूजन आएगा, क्योंकि हमारा ब्रेन में फिक्स्ड है 9 के बाद 10 ही हो सकता है, 9 के बाद और कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, या 7 के बाद 8 होना चाहिए. दैट इज फिक्स्ड इन अवर ब्रेन. बट अनदर नंबर सिस्टम वेयर 0 to 7 ओनली आर देयर, दिस इज हाउ यू कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट इट. 0, 0, 0, 1 up to 0, 7 लिखा. All 0 combinations in 10th place are completed. This is not 10th place, second place from the right we can say. So now one combination from the one combination you should start. Did you all understood that in base 10 number system 7 के बाद 10 क्यों आ रहा है? Don't mug it up again. Did you all understanding that 9 after 7 it is 10 in base 8 number system? Binary number system सोचो, same thing है. 0, 1. 0, 1 are the only two different digits in binary number system. उसके बाद all combinations of 0 and 1 are completed. So you write 0, 0, 0, 1. उसका value change नहीं हो रहा है ना. 0, 0 और 0 का value same है. 0, 1 and 1 का value same है ना. अभी 0, 0, 1, 1 हो गया, मतलब 0 का सारा combination लिखा. अभी 1, 0, 1, 1 लिख सकता है ना. अभी इसका सारा कॉम्बिनेशन लिखा, सो यू कैन पुट 0 इन द लेफ्ट so that all 0, 0 combinations are completed. Now 1, 0, 0 from the beginning we start 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. That is how binary is created. Same way octal is created here. Are you understanding? That is base 7 number system biotechy. We are now discussing about base 8 number system. As I told, base 7 number system में 7 नहीं होगा. That is why I am sure that this is not base 7. Base 7 number system में maximum digit 6 है. या क्वेश्चन में 7 भी लिखा है ना. So वो base 8 या base 9 ही होना चाहिए. Base 8 या base 9 ही होना चाहिए. Yeah, I know there will be confusion in this because this is a topic that is so vast. And this should be your first math class in school days. Number system का difference learn करने के बाद decimal को fix करना था. लेकिन हमने डेसिमल को फिक्स किया, वो लर्न किया 9th स्टैंडर्ड और 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक. उसके बाद अंडरस्टैंड किया, हाँ ये नंबर सिस्टम अकेला नहीं है ये यूनिवर्स में. बेस 10 के अलावा बेस 8 हो सकता है, बेस 1 हो सकता है. देन टीचर टोल्ड जस्ट बाय हार्ट अ मेथड टू कन्वर्ट बेस 10 to base 2. इवन आई एम डूइंग दैट इन दिस क्लास. बिकॉज वो डिस्कशन में इन्वॉल्व किया तो एटलीस्ट 1 आवर चाहिए मुझे सारा नंबर सिस्टम के बारे में, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर सिस्टम का बारे में डिस्कस करने के लिए. इतना टाइम ये कोर्स में नहीं है. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड लेट मी नो, आई विल क्रिएट अ सेपरेट यूट्यूब सेशन फॉर दैट. नंबर सिस्टम क्या है, कैसा कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकता है, कॉमेंट इट. If you are interested to learn number system, it will be very fun actually. You will change your total perspective about mathematics if you understand number system properly. We believe that a number into 2 is always even, but number into 2 is even is not necessary by the definition of even number. In other number system, a number into 2 can be odd number also. And we believe that 7 plus 3 is 10, but 7 plus 3 can be 11 also. And all our beliefs are based on base 10 number system. Why base 10 number system? Why we could not have taken base 5 number system? The reason behind that. Or if aliens attack us and in the future they tell that we should follow their number system, which is binary number system obviously, because machines think in binaries 0 1 0 1 0 1. So if aliens attack us or robots attack us who follow base 2 number system, they will tell now we should all convert to base 2 number system and think. Now what we do, if we enter something in the calculator convert our base 10 number system to base 2 and they do the calculation and then convert it back to base 10 and show us the answer. But once robots rule us, they will say that we don't want to do any of these trouble. You come to our number system, not your number system. So then you should be able to do base 2 number system properly. And what about a civilization in another planet? Imagine there is another planet where civilization exists. If all of them have 8 fingers in their hand, automatically they will not be thinking about base 10 number system. Most probably their number system will be base 8. Because in my opinion, number system we fixed decimal. One reason for fixing that is we saw 10 fingers in our hand and we counted by using fingers. So we are more connected to base 10. That is why we fix base 10. लेकिन another planet में सारा people का 8 fingers है तो उसका number system base 8 होगा. So many of these things are things to just think. Think more about it. That itself will transform you. Your perspective about mathematics. So those of you are watching this live or recorded, do comment whether you want a proper full length lecture on what are the different types of number system. ये lecture का title number system है, लेकिन ये यहाँ पे हम discuss कर रहे हैं decimal में नंबर सिस्टम का क्या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, क्या क्या थिंग्स है, बिकॉज क्वेश्चंस मेजॉरिटी आर बेस्ड ऑन डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. दिस इज द ओनली गेट एग्जाम, दिस इज अ सेकंड गेट एग्जाम क्वेश्चन वेयर नंबर सिस्टम अदर देन डेसिमल इज ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व्ड. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम डिस्कसिंग इट मिनिमम इन दिस कोर्स. But if you want to learn about other number system, as I told, that will change your perspective about math. The mistake we done in school days is we were told to by heart numbers like 1 to 5 आज by heart करके आना, कल 6 to 10 by heart करके आना, परसों 11 to 15 by heart करके आना. That itself was the biggest mistake. Why? Numbers cannot be learned in 5 bundle. 5 कहाँ से आया? नंबर सिस्टम में 10 में है तो ये 5 कहाँ से आया? 10 का पावर्स में नंबर सिस्टम लर्न करना है. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू लर्न 0 to 9 क्यों फिक्स किया, उसके बाद 0 to 9 का परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन कैसा क्रिएट कर सकता है, 11 to 99 तक कैसा क्रिएट किया, उसके बाद उसका 3 डिजिट परम्यूटेशन कैसा क्रिएट किया, 100 to 999 तक कैसा क्रिएट किया, ऐसा लर्न करना था. द ऑर्डर इटसेल्फ वाज रॉन्ग. Yeah, you may say that in kindergarten, how we will know about this power of 10 and all. Then don't learn it in kindergarten. We could have learned it much later, na? We were stuffed with a lot of math very early. That is why we feel math is not that interesting. No offense to any other subjects, but math is the beautiful subject. The most beautiful subject if you learn it properly. If you learn it not properly, it is not a good subject, I agree. So I will try to give a lecture on number system. Yeah, I am not saying that I am teaching math properly. I am saying you can learn from anywhere. These are some pointers you can start thinking about. ये नंबर सिस्टम बाकी नंबर सिस्टम के पर्सपेक्टिव में थिंक किया तो मेनी थिंग्स विल बी डिफरेंट ना. So think about it. If you haven't thought about it, if you have already thought about it, very good. Keep it up and continue thinking more. So it will be like we can say mind-bending. It will be many of the things we see. If you think more about number system itself, that single thought itself will change your perspective about math. Okay, anyway, here now let's come to the practical thing. How to do this question very fast I will explain. So 7 plus 6 5 है ना, 7 plus 6 क्यों 5 है, sixth number from 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 sixth number from 7 is 15, लेकिन 15 का 5 लिखा, 1 कैरी ओवर किया, 1 plus 3 4 है, 4 plus 7 that is fourth number from 7 1 2 3 4, fourth number is 13 in this base 8 number system. 13 मतलब 3 लिखेगा और 1 कैरी करेगा, 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 ये नंबर सिस्टम में भी 4 है, so 4. Look at this, 435 is totally justified. 435 is totally justified. Is it clear? हाँ, इसलिए मुस्कान मैंने बोला नर्सरी स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स को क्यों मैथ पढ़ाना है, दैट इज अ फर्स्ट थिंग. Why they should be stuffed with math, wrong math, that is my question. They should be, math learning can be started little late also. If it is late also, learn it properly. That is my perspective. Why stuff students with complicated things very early? Practical aspects of math, they can be introduced in kindergarten or first standard, like counting, looking at things in front of them instead of stuffing them with 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 100 by heart करके आना. That is the mistake. 1 to 50, 1 to 30. कुछ स्कूल्स में वो टेस्ट भी होता है 1 to 30 तक लिखे आना. दैट इज द टेस्ट, यूनिट टेस्ट फॉर फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड और किंडरगार्टन स्टूडेंट्स. All those things were wrong. Again, my perspective, you people can argue if you think it is otherwise. So anyway, coming back to 435 clear है ना, ये clear है तो अभी 731 ऐसा ही करो. 731 मतलब 731 by 672 ऐसा ही करो. 731 plus 672, 1 plus 2 तो ये नंबर सिस्टम में भी 3 है. 1 plus 2 means second number 3. 3 plus 7, third number from 7 or seventh number from 3, both are same. Third number from 7 means 1 2 3, that is 12 in base 8 number system. 12 means 2 carry over. 1 plus 7 plus 6, that is 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 means seventh number, 1 2 3 4 5 6, seventh number will be 1 6. Seventh number 1 6 means you can write 1 6 itself, because the leftmost number carry over है तो भी we will write it as such ना, just like decimal number system addition. So 1623 is the correct answer. 1623 is the correct answer. Okay, biotechy. No, that is a good job opportunity there na. That is why I am saying learn number system properly. If machines attack us, we don't know whether it happens na. So in case it happens, that time that will be a very what we can say highly paid job. Like now data scientists and all get very good salary, or AI get very good salary. At that time, that will be a high profile job. Translator of decimal to binary or binary to decimal. There will be tuition centers all over the world started. Come here and learn how to convert to binary number system. So that is a good thing to imagine, right? If robots attack us, the rise of machines happens. And at that time, if binary number system is introduced, what all changes will happen all over the world? Think about it. Just like many rules being implemented now, the robots will implement the rule even if we don't like it. And we have to follow it, na? So at that time, conversion of number system will be necessary. Some of you are like, okay, that will not happen, so we will not learn number system. That I told a hypothetical situation. You should learn it because that is the base. हमें बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम काफ़ी है, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है रॉट लर्निंग डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम इज इनफ. कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसा आता है, मोर ओवर यू शुड नो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग ना. 1 + 1 = 2 मीन्स उसका मीनिंग पता होना चाहिए. 9 + 1 = 10, उसका मीनिंग पता होना चाहिए. बाई हार्टिंग सम टेक्निक्स इज नॉट इनफ. Even for addition we by hearted technique. That is what I am saying. 9 plus 1 is 10 means we just followed a rule pattern only. We know, we are very thorough with that pattern. That is why we are able to do. We are not actually understanding 9 का अगला नंबर in this number system 10 है. दूसरा नंबर सिस्टम में वो 10 ना होने का भी चांसेस है ना, वो A हो सकता है. 9 plus 1 is A in base 11 number system, base 12 number system, base 13 number system, base 14 number system. And number systems are infinite. You can create your own number system. If you have 40 symbols with you, different symbols, you can create base 40 number system. And all these rules will be applicable there also. That is why math is universal. In all these number systems, the rules are not changing. Just the representations change. Okay, Pratik. Okay, Shreya, thank you. So, this is another question of this number system type. Try it as homework. So, I hope today's session was interesting to all of you. Let's conclude here. And these are some extra questions based on this division and reminders. Check it out. These questions, if possible, I will arrange one more session. Otherwise, try it as homework itself. And this is a place value based question. Try it. Placed value based question. And this is factor based question. This is also number line based question. This is number line based question. So try this. And those of you are preparing for CSIR-NET exam, my full length courses are available in the Unacademy Plus platform. Complete course on CSIR is running at 8:30 AM. And practice course on CSIR and GATE General Aptitude is running at 2 PM. And there are 65 other plus courses or complete courses available in my plus platform. That also you can access, and all subject educators courses also you can access if you are using the referral code CC10 Live or CC10 to get maximum discount. You will be able to access all my classes, all educators, all courses of CSIR-NET category. This is the information for CSIR-NET aspirants. GATE aspirants, my courses will continue here, and in other YouTube channels also I have provided free classes. Search my keyword, you will get all my previous free classes. GATE का classes है तो GATE General Aptitude by Christy Varghese search करिए. CSIR का classes के लिए CSIR General Aptitude by Christy Varghese search करिए. So if you felt this session was useful, do share this to maximum people. Invite more of your friends to the upcoming classes. Tomorrow 11 AM will be the upcoming class. And do hit the like button. That will help this video to be recognized by YouTube and suggest it to more people. YouTube itself will do it if more people are interacting in the video. So do like, do comment if you felt it is useful. If it was not useful, you can dislike or you can skip the video. But if you felt it is useful, do show it in the like or comments. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good day. Bye bye.